Here inside the hopper, the stainless steel auger screw rotates, drawing the raw kebab mixture forward and compressing the uncooked. Here we see the initial shaping pressure applied as the mold halves compress the raw mixture. Inside the high-speed food factory, the forming press rapidly shapes the kebab patties. The molds cycle quickly as the machine prepares the next batch. The high-speed press descends, compressing the raw kebab mix into a perfect circular patty. The high-speed conveyor system gently lifts the freshly shaped kebab patties from their molds, ensuring perfectly clean edges before they head to visual inspection. The patties are then scanned by high-speed vision cameras. A digital overlay confirms the precise diameter and thickness before they are applied.
The patties now enter the secondary freezing chamber, where the final shape stabilization begins.
Exiting the freezing tunnel, the kebab patties are now fully frozen and ready for inspection.
How frozen kebab patties are shaped inside a high-speed food factory manufacturing.
As the frozen kebab patties move down the line, these guide rails ensure perfect spacing for the final inspection.
How frozen kebab patties are shaped inside a high-speed food factory.
Approved trays move quickly from the freezer through the insulated door and into the automated packaging system.
How frozen kebab patties are shaped inside a high-speed food factory.
Inside the high-speed factory, the frozen kebab patties are shaped and then immediately labeled with precise date and batch codes.
Advanced sensors guarantee that each kebab patty is correctly labeled before a final inspection.
How frozen kebab patties are shaped inside a high-speed food factory.
Inside the factory, high-speed machinery ensures perfect consistency for every kebab patty.
The ground kebab mixture is rapidly pressed into shape by these stainless steel molds before being snap frozen.
The blue lasers scan the patties with microscopic accuracy, ensuring every kebab meets the precise.
Inside the high-speed food factory, the frozen kebab patties are shaped with absolute precision, showcasing the harmony between man and machine.
How frozen kebab patties are shaped inside a high-speed food factory.
The final step sees the freshly formed kebab patties quickly frozen on stainless steel trays, locking in the flavor.
Stacked high and flash frozen, these kebab patties are now ready for global distribution, ensuring reliable quality every time.